Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello! Hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch the official trailer of the season 6 of Vikings. As you can see, I'm really excited to be there to discover this trailer. Maybe if you don't know me, a short presentation. Hey, I'm Laura, I'm French, I'm making reaction videos about the shows that I love. Not all of the shows that I love, but some of them. If you want, you can check the playlist on my channel to discover the shows for which I'm making reaction videos. Right now I'm making reaction videos for The Walking Dead and maybe for Mr. Robot. I still don't know if I'm gonna do that or not. I just finished 13 Reasons Why, Fear the Walking Dead, The 100. I made reaction videos for the last season of Stranger Things, Game of Thrones. You can check that if you are interested. But also, you know, I began this channel in April, I think, or March. And I began this channel with reaction videos about Vikings. So, you know, it's really like discovering this trailer right now. It's, I don't know, this show now has a special place in my heart because of that, because I began this channel with it, but also because I love this show. I love this show because it's an historic show and I love historic show usually, and also because of this family. I love this family so much. I love all of them. Like for Peaky Blinders, I think that I have also a thing with family shows, you know. Not family shows, because when I'm thinking about a comedy show, I'm thinking about a comedy family show, and no, I'm really not. I think that I have a thing with shows that are talking about family like that in a dramatic way, you know, like for Peaky Blinders and other shows like that. For Vikings, really, I love this family so much. I love all of the brothers. I love all of them, really, like Vitzerk, Ube, Bjorn, Ivar. Even Ivar, who really lost it during the last season. I really love him also because he has such a story. He had a lot of stuff to deal with, and you know, the fact that he went on the dark side of the Force, it was almost logical with his history. And even if I really didn't like a lot of things that he did during the last season, I can't hate him. I don't know if you are feeling the same about him, but I can't hate him because he is one of the brothers and I don't want any of them to die, and it's really killing me because I really have this impression that at the end one or some of the brothers are gonna die, and no, really not. We already lost Ragnar, like, no! I'm not gonna talk about it again. I don't want to cry again for him, even if you have to know it. I'm still watching videos about him on YouTube just to remember him, to cry again for him. So no, I'm not gonna do that right now. We lost Ragnar, but we didn't lose Lagertha, and really, I love her so much. She's so brave, she's a fighter. She's so brave, I love her so much, but I don't know what is gonna happen for her during this season because, you know, she really... She had a lot of stuff also to deal with all along this season, so she deserves to be happy, but I don't think that she can be happy in a show like that, and I don't think that, you know, with all of what she lived, can she be happy at some point, you know? Is it possible for her to be happy, to find love again? Like her love with Ragnar, it was so pure, it was so beautiful. It was one of the best relationship, love story, not really love story, but yes, really relationship that I watched on a show, and I really loved their love, and I can't see anyone to be a new love. I can't see her being in love with a new character. They tried that, you know, with the bishop, that he tried to sell us a new love for Lagertha, and no. I didn't like him at all, because no one can be Ragnar, you know, in my heart and in her heart. I'm really excited for this season 6. I'm really excited to see where Ivar went for doing what, because you know he always had an idea in his mind. So what is his new idea this time, and what he's gonna do right now? I don't know. Really, he lost everything, so what he's gonna do after that? He's not dead, you know. We know Ivar, we know that he's gonna do something else, he's gonna find something more to come back to fight. I don't like that, I don't want them to fight, they are brothers. But that's it, really. Ivar already crossed that line, and now it's too late. He can't come back after that, so we'll see what's gonna happen for Ivar during this season with the fight between the brothers. It's gonna be interesting. For Lagertha, what is gonna happen next for her? She deserves to be happy. Please let her be happy. I want her to be happy, even if, like I said before, I really don't think that she can be happy at some point. She can't. She lives too much out stuff. I think that she can't rest, you know. We'll see. And Floki, what is gonna happen for Floki? The last thing that I remember about Floki is him entering into a mountain after this thing about finding that land and all of that. It was a little annoying during the last season, not because of Floki, I love Floki, but because of this story about them trying to live on that land, and really, no, you can't live right there. Everybody can see it, and even if you believe and you have the face to think that you can live right here, really, this land is giving you all the signals to say that no, you can't live right there. But at the end of the final episode, I think we are seeing Floki entering on that mountain, and with something on the wind, like it's a spirit call, you know. I don't know if we can say that, but I don't know. We'll see what's gonna happen for Floki during this season. I love him, really, I love his character, so we'll see. I'm really excited to see this trailer. I'm really excited to think that we're gonna be back with this show soon. Yes! Oh, and just so you know, I'm watching trailers for seasons, but not for episodes, and I'm not watching any promotional pictures, and I'm not trying to find information about the next season of a show, of any show, because I really want to be surprised by the show. I really want to be surprised by every scene, every lines, every music, every pictures. I really don't like spoilers, and watching trailers for episodes or watching promotional pictures for episodes and all of that, for me it's like a spoiler, you know. I really want to be surprised by a show, so I'm just watching trailers for seasons, and it's already a lot and it's already great, you know. So I'm gonna watch this trailer, but if they are dropping new trailers about this show, don't be surprised if I'm not making reaction videos for them. It's not because I don't like you, it's really because I'm not gonna watch them at all. So I'm gonna watch this trailer one time all along, and after that I'm gonna watch it, I think, a second time with breaks. Let's go! Okay, I'm really excited. I just saw that it's a trailer of 2 minutes and 50 seconds. That's a long trailer, really. We're gonna learn a lot of things during it. I'm really like, oh, that's a lot of stuff. Sorry. Okay.
I know your reputation. How many battles you have won. guilt. I am but your humble servant.
He's so like his dad.
Even great men make mistakes.
His dad already.
I've seen enough of war.
I guess so.
Death. It is time to elect a king who will defend us. A king for all Norway. And what better man than you, your hindsight? I hope that things will proceed smoothly. Do you know any reason why it should not? I have decided to treat your arrival here as a sign. Ivar, the boneless.
Who are you?
I have ordered the construction of a main fleet for the invasion of Scandinavia, and you can help. We are matched upon your brothers.
Okay, you find a new ally. Agatha, you're a fighter!
Our country's in grave danger. Don't ever betray me. I'll lead you to my darkest. I want to search your floor. You can search all you want. You won't find anyone. Light the fire!
From the ashes, we will rise. That's... they must rise. That's from the 100.
Seems the gods brought us together again, my brother. You must enjoy seeing us fight.
2 hours? The premiere, the first episode is gonna... Okay, there is no hidden scene, nothing. That was a really long trailer. A lot of things happened during it. We have a lot of informations, a lot of scenes. I'm saying that because right now I'm wondering if I'm gonna see it another time or not, you know, with breaks, because I really don't want to... It was great, it was a really great trailer, I'm really happy about it, but you know, like I said during my intro, I like to be surprised about a show. I'm not watching trailers for episodes because of that, and I'm just watching one trailer for the new season. Right there, it's a long trailer and there is a lot of information in it, and if I'm gonna watch it another time, I'm gonna watch a lot of information, a lot of new information that I didn't see the first time, so I'm gonna finish with a lot of information. I'm not sure. I have to think about it. I'm gonna cut, I'm not gonna let you see me just staring at the floor and thinking about it. Okay, I think that I'm gonna watch it a second time with breaks, but not with a lot of breaks. Usually I'm making breaks literally every 2 seconds. Right there I'm gonna try to not make a lot of breaks watching it. We didn't see Floki during this trailer. Yes or no? I'm gonna watch it again and we'll see. Okay. I'm not sure I'm ready to watch it again. I don't know why. I was excited before this trailer. I'm really happy about this trailer, but right now to watch it a second time with breaks, I'm nervous. Okay, let's watch it again.
I know your reputation.
Of course you know him.
I know how many battles you have won.
You're so beautiful, my baby. I'm really not happy because you don't know it, but in France we have a Comic-Con. It's not like the US Comic-Con, but it's an interesting Comic-Con, and at first he was invited to this Comic-Con and he cancelled, and I'm really... Not satisfied about that information because I was thinking about maybe take a picture with him and all of that. It would have been so great, but no, it's not coming. And I'm not sure that I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna keep that for another video. Okay, Björn, my baby. You are fighting in a camp. Yes, in sort of a camp. Okay, that's the battle that we are seeing also at the end of the trailer. It's Ivar with his new ally who is attacking Björn and his brothers, you know, who is trying to conquer Scandinavia. That's what he said.
You have no idea.
You're there, you! I love his character. I'm glad that he's back. Who are you? What are you? What is it? They are putting blood or red paint on a boat? Something like that?
You're a great
Oh, you're there, Vitchak.
man. Even great men make mistakes.
Is he gonna have a new problem with his girl? Boom! That was a Ragnar move. Come on! Ube! Ube, you're bleeding.
I'm glad I'm not king.
I've seen enough of war. I've seen enough of death.
Oh, Lagertha.
It is
Who are you?
time
You
to
also.
elect a king who will defend us.
Yes! It's the king. I cried so much that scene when Lagertha came and she gave him the sword. I cried so much. If the video is still available, I'm gonna put my reaction video about this episode, but really I cried so much during this episode.
A king for all Norway. And what better man than you? You're on hindsight.
He's gonna be the king of all Norway. Excuse me, I'm not crazy, I'm just really excited. Boom! Ube is really protecting him.
I hope that things will proceed smoothly.
Oh! I saw that this thing is gonna... They have a plan. He's bluffing. He's... No! I don't like that because they have an enemy outside Kattegat, but it means that now they have an enemy also inside Kattegat. I don't like that.
Do you know any of these?
Are you gonna betray the brothers? You... Please don't. I appreciate you.
I have decided to treat your arrival here as a sign.
Okay,
Ivar, the boneless.
you have a new ally. I don't know your name, but you have a new ally.
I have ordered construction of a fleet for the invasion of Scandinavia.
Okay, so he wants to invade Scandinavia, okay, with Ivar.
The Rus are coming.
Lagertha, she's beautiful. Yeah.
Don't ever betray me. I'll be here to my longest.
Oh, it's a good ally, but also if you're betraying him, I don't like that. I mean, it's an ally, but you're not safe with him.
I want to search for Flo.
I want to search for Floki, that's what he said. Who is saying that?
Flo,
Ube? Ube, you're gonna search for Floki?
search all you want.
Okay, so Floki disappeared. That's why we're not seeing him on the trailer. He disappeared and Ube is gonna search for him. But Ube, your brother needs you. He's gonna fight an whole army. He needs you. From the ashes. They must rise.
Seems the gods brought us together again, my brother. You must enjoy seeing us fight.
No! The gods maybe enjoy you fighting, but I don't like that. I'm not enjoying that. Brothers should never fight to death. Okay. Okay, so a lot of things are happening during this trailer, but at the end we just have some information about the new season, so finally I'm glad about that. You know, I was afraid that I was gonna have too much information, but I don't think that I have too much information. We know that Björn is gonna be the king of Norway and people are gonna support that, but some are gonna let him believe that they are supporting him, but in fact they are planning something behind his back, and I really don't like that, because we saw also that Ivar is gonna be back with a new ally and with an whole army to fight his brothers, and we already have this enemy to fight outside Kattegat, and now it means that we also have an enemy inside Kattegat and an hidden enemy. I really don't like that. What did we see also? We saw Lagertha with fighting with Björn. It means that she's gonna be back in Kattegat. We saw that Floki disappeared and Ube is gonna go to try to find him. We saw, of course, Ivar discovering his new ally, and also this new ally is threatening him, so even if he's a new ally, you're not safe with him, you're not... I don't like that. I said it, even if Ivar did a lot of bad things during the last season, even if I'm not in his side, you know, I don't want him to win this fight, I still don't want him to die, and I still don't hate him, because, you know, for each character, even the villain ones in shows, if I'm understanding why they are doing what they are doing, I can't hate them. Even if they are doing really bad stuff, even if I'm really not okay with what they are doing, if I'm understanding a character, even if it's a villain, even if all of that, I can't hate the character. And right there, I can't hate Ivar because I'm understanding him, and also because I can't forget that he is one of the brothers, and I love this family so much. I love all of them, even the one who is really like crazy in his mind. But we are gonna see the brothers fighting again. It's gonna be hard. We didn't see a lot of Witzerk during this trailer. I know that for some of the fans and for the show, he's not an important character, not like Björn, not like Ivar, not like Lagertha, but really we saw a lot of Ube, but really just one scene with Witzerk maybe. I don't like that, because really I'm appreciating all of the brothers and I want all of them to have their place in the show, so I hope that it's not the signal that he's gonna die soon, you know, he's gonna die in the first episode. I really hope that it's not because of that we're not seeing him a lot. We'll see. It was really a great trailer. I'm really excited about it. You saw me when I watched it. I was really excited. I love them so much. I'm really like... Oh, Björn. He's really acting like his dad. It's killing me really, because each time that he's doing a move like Ragnar, like he's speaking like that, or even that move for me, it was a Ragnar move, and there's so much... Oh, it's killing me. Really, it's killing me, and at the same time, I love that so much. So yes, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be a great season. Tell me what did you think about this trailer, if you are excited like me about it, if you saw things that I didn't see during this trailer. Maybe I didn't see a big thing, you know, an important thing. If it's the case, tell me on the comments. I'm really trying to respond to all of you, to all of your comments, and I'm reading all of them for sure. So tell me what did you think about this trailer? For me, it was a good one. I'm really excited about it. Okay, so it's all for this reaction video about the official trailer of the season 6 of Vikings, and I will be back with reaction videos about this new season of Vikings in December now. I really don't think that I'm gonna watch the other trailers of this season 6 because this one was already long enough, at least for me. So it's all for this trailer, for this reaction video, and I will see you in December. It's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.